Okay.
Alright, so here we have our robotic arm claw. We have servo up here that opens and closes the claw. We have another servo here that raises and lowers the arm. And these are controlled by potentiometers over here. And what happens is constantly there's live updating, and it takes the value of this potentiometer and scales it down to a value usable by the servos, because the values are up to 127 on the servos and 1,000 on the potentiometer, so that's kind of an issue. As for the back and forth, because it does rotate, we have two buttons here that control that, and it stops at 90 degrees on either side. And the way we do that is at the bottom we have anyway, we have this bar here, and we have two limit switches, one at the front, one at the back. And if this bar trips the back, it knows that it's at the limit. If it trips the front, it knows it's at the other limit. And so programmatically, if it hits one of these, it refuses to go any further in that direction. Other than that, we have some rubber bands to stop some of the jerking. We have weights to counterweight. So with that,
In the assignment, it didn't call for any articulation of the wrist. So
right.
Just when you're seeing that and thinking that would be helpful.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
But it wasn't part of the problem.
As I say, it wasn't part of the problem. We didn't have the parts. So, but we can close, lift it up, spin it around, and set it over here. Safe and sound.
And this is I've mentioned this, but we're gonna hook one of these up to control over the internet.
Yes.
And maybe this one, we'll see.